Shalomchen friends!
Shalomchen friends!
Today we want to show you how to make your e-scooter faster, Segway edition. And before that, one moment.
Yeah, we want to show you something. We created a new brand called escooterskins.com, where you can buy skins for your e-scooter, custom-made skins for a lot of models. Just go on escooterskins.com.
So we have customized tire stickers, we have customized designs, we have customized kickstands. This is a golden one. And yeah, here's a tire sticker too. You have to think about the tire size are different. So we have to make two different tire stickers. That's, yeah. And this is one of Segway
ZT3
ZT3.
Pro.
In German we say ZT3.
It's a golden edition, but it's not 100% ready here. But it's no problem. We have tons of designs, tons of vinyl foils. Yeah,
watch
just
e-scooter.
go on escooterskins.com and look.
And now we want to show you this. And how do you make it?
It's very easy. You need a license key. Link is in the description down below. And then, if you have a license key, you got an instruction per mail, and you have to download the Bluefy browser. If you use an iPhone for this, if you use an Android phone, you can use Google Chrome or something like that. Then you go to the website you got if you buy the license key, and this is the website.
This is a only tuning method at the moment that is working. So scooter hacking utility isn't working at the moment.
Segway, just bring out a new patch, and now it's not working anymore, but this is working. And I will show you. You click on E-Scooter verbinden, but I think you can change the language. No, we can change the language. It's very clever too in this video. So we click on Connect Scooterino. Now we have to choose our scooter. In this case, it's this one. Please wait, we are connecting. Now we have to press the power button. So, and now I want to show you. So, and this is the website. We connected our scooter, and now we can install our firmware. So now he wants a license key. We just passed our key and click on confirm pairing. Now we can remember this license for 30 days and can click on install firmware. And now we have to wait a minute.
Yes. So it's working with the newest firmware, August 3rd. August the 3rd is today, and this is working. You see, upgrading firmware. Yeah, like I said, this is the only method at the moment how to make your scooter faster.
We have to wait.
Also, we have some brake handles, like this one, and cable
sleeves.
Cable sleeves. So yeah, if you want to support us, thank you very much.
And 100. Yeah,
He's talking. He's talking.
So now we have to. It's very important to configure unlock. There we click on configure unlock, and now we have to make our custom unlock key. So you can use all the keys the scooter have, all the buttons the scooter have. We can make first left brake, right brake, left brake, right brake, power up, and power button down. Now we can save this. And I just instant forgot it. I have to check it, but you can look later. So left, right, up, down, and then you can spawn a jetpack. No, but the most important thing is this only works after you start a scooter. We don't are able to touch anything. So don't roll the scooter. Nix berühren.
Nix berühren.
So I show you. And now it worked. So we are in
45.
And you can just configure more. I show you too. Just click on Settings. No Panic Button. Jetzt ist natürlich die Frage, Keiner versteht mich, weil ihr kein Deutsch könnt.
So-
So panic button. What's a panic button? Replace the action of a boost custom button to make it switch back to normal profile. So if you just are on the road and you just wanted to delete it very fast, just click this button.
Yeah, this is the best function of this license key tool.
Yeah, and you can disable the beep
The beep.
voice, the beep sound, and you can just configure the speed limit. So you can activate the underglow light, the front light. In the German model, you don't have a front light, but we will build in a front light.
So
You can activate cruise control if you don't have. And the speed limit in the sports mode, in the tuning profile, is 45 kilometers per hour maximum. So it's very nice, I think.
Yeah.
And yeah, links are in the description below. This is working for the ZT3 too, for the G2, for the F3, for the F3 Pro, for the GT3, for the GT3 Pro not.
that is fast enough.
Yeah.
And the G3, of course. And yeah, if you want to support us, watch the website escooterskins.com. And yeah, thank you for watching, I think.
And please wear a helmet if you drive so fast.
yeah,
And in our country it's not legal to drive on the road, but
yeah,
I don't
have
know
to
where you
drive
live.
on the
yeah,
on the
maybe
forest.
yeah, or on the Mount Everest or something like that. Okay, thank you.
Thank
Tschüss.
you. Tschüss. Hau rein. Bis dann. Tschüss, Dikowski. Bis dann. Alles
Mach's gut,
Gute.
Robert.